Hello traders, welcome back. Now this is the very important lesson of my discourse. I hope all of you guys must be doing great. This is really important. Now what happens in your trading? No one strategy is never 100% perfect. Any strategy which is above more than 80%, even 70%, I would say that 70% correct, that is 100% fine. Well, there are many methods to filter out the wrong signals and to filter out the wrong trades from any kind of strategy. This is really important lesson for my discourse, and you need to follow this. If you will not follow this, there are many chances you are going to get wrong signals. So I'm sure that you will follow these rules. If you will not follow the rules, then you are not going to get success in your strategy. Here I'm gonna apply a moving average of 50 exponential moving average, right? Let me show you one thing here very clearly. Dear students, this is on 15-minute time frame, right? Naked chart of 15-minute time frame. In trading we have two types of trends, uptrend and downtrend. Let me explain you what is uptrend. Uptrend consists of series of higher highs. It will make high, then retracement, high, retracement, high, retracement, again high. Now this high and this high, second high is higher than first high, then third high is higher than second high. Now in downtrend it will make a low, then retracement, low, retracement, low, and retracement, again low. Now here second low is lower than first low and third low is lower than second low, right? Remember the rule. Now there are many methods to identify the direction of trend. Well, the simplest way I can tell you guys is to use 50 exponential moving average. Okay, let me show you how we can do that. We will come here in the moving average lines and we are gonna apply this one. So my dear students, you can see that even here, so whenever market is gonna be above this 50 EMA, we will be in bullish trend, and whenever market will be below this, then we will be in bearish trend, right? Here we are in completely bullish trend. Here we are also in bullish trend, the way I have explained you guys. Okay, uh, high, then retracement, again high, retracement, high, retracement, again high, then trend is going to be changed, right? So you can see that downtrend, downtrend, uptrend, again uptrend. So simplest way in using in this strategy, whenever market is above this yellow line and you get blue signal, buy signal, you will take only buy trades. Right now you can see that market is trading above, above the 50 EMA line, so you will not take this sell trade. Okay, you are not going to take this sell trade, you will take only this buy trade, right? Okay, fine. Here you will not take this sell trade, here you will take your buy trade. Okay, here you will take your sell trade because this candle is gonna be closed below 50 MA. Here you will take your buy trade, here you will take your sell trade and also buy trades. Sometimes it happens that simultaneously consecutive trades comes. All you need to do, whenever you get the signal from your candle, you will see and you will take a look what is behavior of your current candle. If it is closed below 50 MA line, then you will take your entry. For example, here you will take your sell entry, here you will also take your buy entry. So both of the trades, this trade is went up, so you can bring your stop loss to the break even, and this was a profitable trade as well. Here in this scenario you are gonna take your buy entry. So make this rule: whenever market is trading above this EMA line, you are gonna take only buy entry, and if it is trading below, then you are gonna take only sell entry. Let me show you here, right? Even this was valid buy entry. This is a great sell entry. Okay, fine. And let me show you here. In this scenario, you are not going to take your buy entry. Fine. Okay, and here you will not take your sell entry. Okay, here you will not take your buy entry. So in trading, patience is really required, and it is gonna help you a lot. This is really important. Only remember the simplest ever rule: do not take trade against the trend. If market is trading above 50 EMA line, then only look for buy entries. If market is trading below 50 EMA line, then try to trade for only sell entries. Remember, apply the same rule on any of time frame whatever you are trading. If you are trading on 5-minute time frame, you will apply same rule on 5-minute time frame. Sometime traders, they try to take look at daily time frame or higher time frames. No, 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 no. If you are using 15-minute time frame, watch the trend on 15-minute time frame. If you are using 1 hour time frame, watch the trend on 1 hour time frame. So I'm sure that all of you guys will have a clear understanding of this concept, and this is very important role. Apply this in your trading and enjoy your great success. I'm sure that this strategy is gonna help you a lot. Thank you so much. If you have any kind of further question, you are most welcome to ask me. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay blessed. God bless you.